Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm at our newest listing, 2608 Lakeland Drive. This is a great home. I can't wait for you to take a look at it. It's a ranch style home, so it's all main level living. You have your garage on the main level, your primary bedroom on the main level, and your laundry on the main level. It's very well taken care of in a quiet neighborhood. You also have a full finished basement with a fourth bedroom downstairs and a third garage that is perfect for a workshop. And also you have a very private backyard. So come on in and take a look inside.